Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Moody Moose from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose. Let's start with 2 angled lines down and curve it in at the bottom. Now to close off the bottom, let's draw a U-shaped curve across. Next, inside, let's draw 2 upside down teardrop shapes for the nostrils. And then color them both in black. And that's it for the nose. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with the curve up and then down on the left. And the same thing on the right. And then from the bottoms, let's curve it back into the nose. Now let's hop inside and let's draw an oval inside each eye. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. From the sides of the nose, let's curve it up and back down at the end. And then curve it down, meeting at the center. Next, inside, let's draw 2 curves at the bottom for the tongue. And then color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve out on both sides. And then a smaller one underneath. And now for the chin, let's draw a U-shaped curve underneath. Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw a curve up and down on both sides. And that's it for the shape of the head. Next, let's draw the antlers on top. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a wavy line up, out, and up again like this. And now let's do the same thing on the right. Next, from the top, let's curve it back down and in. Then let's add 2 more bumps up. And then curve each side back down to the head. Next, inside each one, let's draw a small curve near the bottom here. And that's it for the antlers. Now let's add the ears underneath. Let's start with a wavy line out on both sides. And then another wavy line underneath to close off each ear. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another wavy line at the top. And then one more underneath, bringing it back in. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, on the left side, let's draw a wavy line down, like this. and then another wavy line from the right side. Next, underneath, let's curve it down, bring it out and back in for the sides of the body. Now on the sides, let's draw the arms. Let's start with the curve out and up. And the same thing underneath. And then close off the end of each one with a curve across. Now let's hop inside each arm and let's draw another curve across. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath in the center, let's draw 2 angled lines down and bring it slightly inwards. And then hop to the outside and let's draw another set of angled lines going down and out. Now at the bottom, let's curve it in, a V-shaped point up, and then one more curve to close off each foot. And lastly, inside each leg, let's draw a curve across. And that's it for Moody Moose. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!